Do you want to delete drafts on TikTok? You can remove TikTok drafts video with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete drafts on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. On your profile page, you'll see a drafts folder at the beginning of the video section. Tap on it to view all your saved drafts. Now, you will see all the draft TikTok videos. To delete one or multiple videos, long press and select the videos that you want to delete from the drafts. Once you select them, tap the delete option at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up confirmation will appear. Tap on delete to confirm the action. Now, you have successfully deleted the selected videos from the TikTok drafts.